Hello everyone and welcome to my new Yeet Cars video. In today's video I'm going to show you around my Lego version of the Sema build that Matt Armstrong built, the Audi RS6. Let's get right into it. This car took me 3 days to complete. Back is actually one of my favourite parts. I did quite detailed. I've got a little parcel shelf in there, and I just love the aero and everything that is on this car. All of the doors open, but the interior is like a grey, which isn't what Matt's is, but it's all the bricks I had. The engine bay is pretty plain because there's so much has gone into the outward appearance of it. Thanks so much for watching this video. Check out Matt Armstrong's channel in the description box below, and please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. All 4 doors open.